In this review, we have the Delta Intuition. And I actually like that. They put in and then the 2 right there, then Ition right there. Now this says it is spot shield technology, which means less spots and less cleaning. You have 2 different sprayers. Well, it says 4 spray settings, but you have 2, one you can actually detach off and one is stationary. One of the features that I really do like is the pause feature. Maybe you like putting shampoo on, you want to leave the shampoo in there for a little bit. You could pause the water, do what you got to do with your shampoo and your hair. And same thing with conditioner. I know some people leave the conditioner on in their hair. So yeah, it has the pause feature, and I will show you all of this. And another cool feature this thing have, let me turn it on to the back. Now, you can actually change the temperature of the water with this, and it's pretty cool. It says pressure balance cartridge keeps water temperature within plus to negative 3.6 degrees, and to convert that 2 degrees Celsius to help prevent scalding. Now the rest is different languages. Now let me explain that to y'all just in case, for the ones who like, okay, that sound like blah 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 stuff. All right, here it goes. Now let's say we are a family of 4 in this house and our water heater is on normal, so I don't really have to worry too much about this. Actually, my water heater is a little bit less. We all don't take showers at the same time. Now, if you're a family of 6, 8, you know, some people got 6 kids and, you know, husband, wife, or whatever. You might have 8 people in the house and your water heater might be higher than the normal temperature. So that means more people can take showers at the same time with hot water. You won't lose the heat with the water. Now, if you are, let's say, 2 people taking showers at the same time and one person gets out early and all of a sudden the water gets hotter in this shower, this will prevent whoever's taking the shower from getting burnt or scald or whatever you want to call it. So that is a pretty good feature, and I'm gonna actually show you how to do your adjustments. So stay tuned and let's get into the review. Oh yeah, and also this comes with the rough end. So this is brass, this is not matte black. This is the tub part, so obviously I don't have a tub here, so I basically just have this for nothing, but yeah. All right, you guys, so it was kind of hard to take off. I didn't take this off in a long time. My wife barely takes it off unless she's doing the kids' hair, but when she washing their hair, she actually used the tub. And I did a video on that, the tub faucet, long time ago. Might do a revisit on it, but I did a video of the tub faucet. I will put a link in the description. But anyways, you could take this off and you have about 6 foot of cord. It seems like a magnetic hookup, but right here you have the little part on the head right here. We'll go up here. You got little clips right here. Right here in the middle is little clips, and it snaps in. So this is very sturdy, and it's hard to get off. You damn near have to pull it off, but that's pretty good. So you know that is good quality. Okay. All right, you guys. So this valve right here controls basically a lot. So you can have this all the way down if you want it just to come in the middle. You can press pause. Your pause will pause whatever in the middle. Okay? So I'm gonna take it back off pause. All right. This is all the way down. Let me open it. and do it again. And then that's it. So alright, so you basically can set this up how you want to. But the main thing on this was the pause feature. So I hit pause, and remember, pause the middle. You have to put this all the way down for it to stop. Alright, you guys, so I forgot to show y'all this part. So I forgot to show you the middle features on here. So we did this part already where we showed, well, I'm showing you the middle now, but let's go ahead with it. So this is the middle sprayers. And then I showed y'all the outside sprayers already. So if you have it all the way up, the middle sprayer don't go. You have it on the second knob. The middle sprayer and the outside sprayer is going, and you can change the middle sprays. If you have it all the way down, it's for the middle only. All right, back to the review. There is a cap and a screw. So my apologies, I did not review this many moons ago, but it is what it is. All right, so I'm gonna take this off. And this part is your temperature control valve right here. All right. So basically this is how it works. It says cooler and it says hotter. All right. I have it all the way on hotter. All right, you guys, so you see right there, it says hotter and it says cooler right there. I'm gonna come down just a little bit. It might blur out on y'all because it's focusing on right here. Now, if you want to change your degree of temperature, you gotta pull out, and then go over. All right, and then let go. It goes back in and lock. Now, when you do this, this is what it does. Now, when you have it all the way on hot, it will, let me back it up. So when you have this all the way on hotter, the knob goes all the way to the end of hot. When you have it on cooler, the knob will stop like to right here. All right, I don't want to show you because the water will kick on if I show you, but you just have to trust my word on this. Okay, so once again, you go to hotter, the knob will go all the way to hot. If you pull it out and go on cooler, the knob will go like this and be on cool. And then that's it. All right, you guys. Whew. Okay, you guys, I know it was kind of rough doing this type of review because I don't have that much space to record. I don't have a wide angle lens. If I had a wide angle lens, then I could get everything. I know some people say, oh, you review too close to the product. Well, sorry, that's just the camera I got right now. And I'm not using my phone because I need my phone just in case somebody called me for emergency. I was using my phone before, but guess what? Every time I record, somebody makes a phone call to me. All right, anyways. All right, so that's it with this review. This Delta was, at the time that I got it, I think it was $270 or something like that, almost $300. I know, it's pricey, but guess what? You get this, the rough end, which is very important. Like I said, a lot of these don't come with the rough end. The rough end is on the internal part. I'm not going to take it all off right now because my wife and kids are coming home from work and school, and they use this shower because maybe one person in one shower, they come use this shower, or they'll go in the basement, blase. So I don't feel like taking all this off right now. But if I want to later on, I'll do a little short video so I can show y'all the rough end. But and they also come with the tub piece, the snout for the tub. So yeah, you get those three pieces, all these features, close to $300. It might be a different price now. I will always post up so you can be aware of what the price is. And that's about it. Don't forget to like the video, please. Put a lot of work into this. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Later.